Hello and welcome to this video on avoiding exposure to toxins for kidney health. Our kidneys are vital organs that filter waste products and toxins from our blood, and keeping them healthy is crucial for our overall well-being. Unfortunately, we are exposed to a wide range of toxins every day, from the foods we eat to the products we use in our homes. In this video, we'll discuss 6 simple strategies you can use to reduce your exposure to toxins and promote kidney health. We'll cover the importance of staying hydrated, avoiding smoking and alcohol, choosing organic foods, using natural cleaning products, avoiding processed foods, and being cautious with medications. By following these tips, you can help protect your kidneys and improve your overall health. So, let's get started. 1. Drink plenty of water. Staying hydrated is essential for maintaining healthy kidneys because our kidneys rely on water to filter waste products from our blood. When we don't drink enough water, waste products can accumulate in our kidneys, which can cause damage over time. Drinking at least 8 glasses of water a day can help to ensure that our kidneys have enough fluid to function properly. However, this amount may vary depending on factors such as age, weight, and activity level. It's important to listen to your body and drink enough water to stay properly hydrated. In addition to flushing out waste products, staying hydrated can also help to prevent the formation of kidney stones. Kidney stones are solid pieces of material that form in the kidneys from substances that are normally dissolved in the urine. When we are dehydrated, our urine becomes more concentrated, which can increase the risk of kidney stone formation. To sum it up, drinking enough water is crucial for maintaining healthy kidneys and preventing kidney disease. Make sure to stay hydrated and drink plenty of water throughout the day to support your kidney health. 2. Avoid smoking and alcohol. Smoking and excessive alcohol consumption can both have a negative impact on kidney health. Smoking is known to increase the risk of kidney cancer and can also damage blood vessels in the kidneys, reducing their ability to function properly. Additionally, smoking can worsen existing kidney disease and increase the risk of developing chronic kidney disease over time. Similarly, excessive alcohol consumption can also harm the kidneys. When we drink alcohol, our kidneys have to work harder to filter out the alcohol and its byproducts. Over time, this can lead to damage to the kidneys and increase the risk of kidney disease. Avoiding or limiting these substances is crucial for maintaining kidney health. If you smoke, quitting is the best thing you can do for your overall health, including your kidney health. If you drink alcohol, it's important to do so in moderation and avoid binge drinking. Moderation is generally defined as no more than 1 drink per day for women and 2 drinks per day for men. By avoiding smoking and limiting alcohol consumption, you can help protect your kidneys and reduce the risk of kidney disease. 3. Choose organic foods. Choosing organic foods can help reduce exposure to harmful chemicals that can be toxic to the kidneys. Conventionally grown fruits and vegetables are often treated with pesticides and herbicides, which can be absorbed into the plant and consumed by humans. Over time, exposure to these chemicals can have a negative impact on kidney health, as they can accumulate in the kidneys and cause damage. By choosing organic foods, you can reduce your exposure to these harmful chemicals and help protect your kidneys. Organic foods are grown without the use of synthetic pesticides and herbicides. Instead, organic farmers use natural methods to control pests and weeds, such as crop rotation and the use of natural predators. This means that organic foods are not only better for the environment, but they are also safer for human consumption. If you're concerned about the cost of organic foods, you can prioritize buying organic versions of fruits and vegetables that are known to have the highest levels of pesticides when conventionally grown. These include strawberries, spinach, kale, apples, and grapes. By choosing organic versions of these foods, you can reduce your exposure to harmful chemicals and support your kidney health. 4. Use natural cleaning products. Using natural cleaning products is another way to reduce exposure to toxins that can be harmful to the kidneys. Many household cleaning products contain harsh chemicals, such as ammonia and bleach, that can irritate the eyes, skin, and respiratory system, and can also be absorbed into the body and cause damage to the kidneys over time. Using natural cleaning products, such as vinegar and baking soda, is a safer alternative that can help reduce exposure to these toxins. Vinegar is a natural disinfectant that can be used to clean many surfaces, including countertops, floors, and bathrooms. Baking soda is a gentle abrasive that can be used to clean sinks, tubs, and toilets. In addition to being safer for your health, natural cleaning products are also better for the environment, as they are biodegradable and non-toxic. They are also generally less expensive than conventional cleaning products. If you prefer to use commercial cleaning products, Look for products that are labeled as non-toxic or eco-friendly. These products are formulated with safer ingredients that are less harmful to the environment and human health. By using natural cleaning products or choosing safer commercial cleaning products, you can reduce your exposure to harmful toxins and protect your kidney health. 5. Avoid processed foods. Avoiding processed foods is another way to reduce exposure to toxins that can be harmful to the kidneys. Processed foods are often high in sodium, sugar, and unhealthy fats, and may contain additives and preservatives that can be harmful to the kidneys over time. For example, processed meats, such as hot dogs and sausages, contain high levels of sodium and preservatives, which can increase the risk of kidney damage and disease. Similarly, many packaged snacks, such as chips and crackers, contain artificial flavors and preservatives that can be harmful to the kidneys. Choosing whole, unprocessed foods is a healthier option that can help to reduce exposure to these toxins. Whole foods are minimally processed and do not contain added preservatives or artificial ingredients. Examples of whole foods include fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. In addition to being healthier for the kidneys, choosing whole, unprocessed foods can also improve overall health and reduce the risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. By avoiding processed foods and choosing whole, unprocessed foods, you can reduce your exposure to harmful toxins and support your kidney health. 6. Be cautious with medications. Being cautious with medications is important for protecting the health of your kidneys. Many medications, including over-the-counter pain relievers, can be harmful to the kidneys when taken in large doses or for extended periods of time. For example, nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, such as ibuprofen and naproxen, can cause kidney damage when taken in high doses or over a long period of time. Acetaminophen, another common pain reliever, can also be harmful to the kidneys when taken in excessive amounts. It's important to always follow the recommended dosage and duration of any medication, and to talk to your doctor or pharmacist about any concerns you may have about the safety of a medication. This is especially important if you have a pre-existing kidney condition or are taking other medications that may interact with the medication in question. In addition, it's important to be aware of any potential side effects of medications and to report any unusual symptoms to your doctor. Symptoms of kidney damage can include changes in urine output, swelling in the legs or ankles, and fatigue. By being cautious with medications and following the guidance of your healthcare provider, you can help protect the health of your kidneys and reduce the risk of kidney damage. That's all for this video on avoiding exposure to toxins for kidney health. Remember, taking care of your kidneys is an essential part of maintaining your overall health and well-being. By following the tips we've discussed today, you can reduce your exposure to harmful toxins and help keep your kidneys functioning at their best. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone you know who may benefit from this information. And as always, thank you for watching.